Hi friends, in this session we will learn about business transactions and accounting. Now some of the business activities that you carry out in a business includes buying goods, selling goods, you may buy goods on credit, you may sell goods on credit, you need to pay to the creditors, you may be receiving payments from the debtors. So all these business activities that are carried out in a business involves a business transaction. So, business transaction means the activities and events that affects the financial position of the firm and are capable of being assigned monetary value. There are different kinds of business transactions, like cash transaction. This is a transaction which involves immediate exchange of cash in exchange for any purchase of goods or assets. Now, credit transaction. Credit transaction is a business transaction in which although has monetary impact but does not involve exchange of cash at the time of occurrence of the transaction but is settled in cash at a subsequent date. Now, internal transaction and external transaction. Internal transaction. It is an economic activity which is involved within the business organization and no outside parties are involved. Whereas external transaction is the transaction in which outside parties are involved. So what is the definition of accounting? Accounting is the process of analyzing and summarizing the business transactions in a chronological order in order to determine the profit of the business at the end of the accounting period. Why accounting is needed? The reason is it helps in evaluating the performance of the business, it ensures statutory compliance, it helps to create budget and future projections, it helps in filling the financial statement. Friends, in our next session, we are going to discuss about accounting concepts and conventions. At the meantime, follow our page on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the link of which I have provided below. Thank you.